This video we're going to be dipping some water into some paper to watch water as it rises up through paper. We're going to be adding a little bit of blue ink because clear water doesn't show up on white paper on a white background very easily, so we're going to be adding some blue color to hopefully give it a little more for the camera to see. So one thing I forgot of a big issue would be we're basically doing paper chromatograph where you're going to be separating different parts of the liquid based on how fast they rise through the paper. So we're going to see water rising higher and faster than the ink does, and the ink kind of trails behind. So for the first piece of type of paper we're going to be using the piece of paper towel, and we're just going to hang it and dip it the end into the water. As you can see, the water quickly absorbs up into the paper towel, and we're not getting the blue color I quite wanted. It's very, very faint blue right now. So I did a second run with the paper towel where we're going to have a lot more ink in it so we can have a little bit more blue. As you can see, the blue shows up a lot better on this run. But you can see the water rise up a much higher level than the water and much quicker. The ink slowly catches up, but it takes a while. Here we have a piece of copy paper. It's not very absorbent, so the water only rises up a centimeter or two up in paper, so it's not particularly interesting. For our next subject, and next type of paper, we're going to have a piece of tissue. This tissue is quite absorbent, so water quickly rises up. Similar to the paper towel, ink kind of follows it, but it's not reaching quite the height that the water does. For the next subject, we have a piece of toilet paper. Water, again, similar to the tissue, rises up fairly quickly, and ink slowly follows. For the next piece of toilet paper, we decided to run it again, this time running it a lot longer so you can see the ink rise up higher. So the water quickly rises up to a maximum level, and I suspect it stops at that level because the evaporation is taking the water away from the paper before it can rise up any higher, and the ink slowly fills up and starts to saturate the rest of the paper, which creates nice blue and pretty nice pattern on the paper.